The vast and arid Atacama Desert is not only the driest place on Earth, but also a natural laboratory that, with each scientific expedition, reveals secrets that challenge our understanding of life, geology, and Earth's history. While media attention has focused on the discovery of a colossal subterranean megastructure with an anomalous geometry, detected using NASA technology and the work of international scientists, the true treasures of the Atacama extend from the deep subsurface to the fossil record of the distant past, showcasing lost ancient technology and secrets of life and evolution that have direct implications for the search for life on planets like Mars. Like, subscribe and share. Let's begin. The most sensational discovery, and the one that has ignited the imagination about a possible lost civilization from antiquity, is the subterranean megastructure. This phenomenon was not detected with the traditional archaeologist's shovel and brush, but rather through the use of advanced technology that penetrates the desert surface. What exactly is this structure? Satellites and radar have detected an anomaly with unusual symmetrical and thermal patterns extending beneath kilometers of sediment in the driest desert on Earth. Measurements indicate an anomalous geometry that doesn't fit with known geological formations. The depth and regularity of the patterns have led scientists to suggest that this structure could have an artificial origin. The similarity of these subterranean patterns to structures being sought on the surface of Mars has added an element of planetary intrigue to the research. Who is behind the discovery? The discovery is the result of a collaboration between Chilean researchers, European scientists, and NASA experts who use state-of-the-art remote sensing technology, including ground-penetrating radar and hyperspectral satellite image analysis. This multidisciplinary approach, powered by space technology, is what made it possible to identify an anomaly hidden beneath the Atacama salt and sand layer. What could it be? Hypotheses fall into two main camps. On the one hand, the geological explanation suggests it could be complex salt formations or structures created by unusual seismic activity that has left symmetrical fracture patterns. On the other hand, the fascinating hypothesis of an advanced pre-Hispanic civilization or the existence of unknown artificial structures cannot be ruled out. The regular pattern and colossal scale suggest the possibility of large-scale engineering, a technology lost in antiquity that was buried by time and extreme weather. The next crucial step will be detailed mapping with magnetic resonance imaging sensors and potentially robotic excavation to penetrate the sediment and reveal the true nature of this anomaly. Beyond speculation about lost civilizations, the Atacama subsoil has offered biological discoveries that have a direct impact on planetary science and the understanding of life on Earth. Scientists have found microbial life thriving in deep underground habitats. These are not surface microorganisms, but specialized bacteria isolated from the surface that have evolved to survive in conditions of extreme dryness and nutrient scarcity. The discovery includes a population of bacteria from the phylum Actinobacteriota, a type previously unknown in this environment, which has adapted its metabolic processes to extract energy and moisture from the harshest conditions. The importance of this discovery for astrobiology is immense. If life can thrive in the extreme conditions of the deep subsurface of the Atacama Desert, where the soil closely resembles that of Mars, this offers strong clues about the possibility of subterranean life on the red planet. Life, even in its simplest forms, demonstrates astonishing resilience, and the Atacama Desert becomes a direct analog for studying what life might be like in a cold, arid extraterrestrial environment. Perhaps the discovery that most changes the mental image we have of Atacama is the evidence of its green and aquatic past, which dates back approximately 230 million years during the Triassic period. What was found? In the El Mono Formation region, paleontologists have unearthed a wealth of fossils of plants, freshwater fish, crustaceans, and insects. These finds are not only numerous but also reveal a lush ecosystem, radically different from the current landscape. Where there is now sand and salt, 230 million years ago, vast bodies of fresh water existed, along with a biodiversity unique for the time. This primeval Atacama was a fertile environment, teeming with aquatic life and diverse flora, a fact that rewrites the geological history of the region. Cutting-edge technology is being used to unravel the secrets of this ancient life. Scientists are employing molecular DNA techniques on fossils and sediments to gain a deeper understanding of the genetics and interconnections of this Triassic ecosystem, despite the extreme age of the remains. This paleontological work not only maps the history of life on the South American continent, but also illustrates Earth's dramatic capacity for transformation and the role of extreme climate change in the evolution of species. Another enigma solved in Atacama relates to the vast fields of glass that extend across the desert, a phenomenon that was long attributed to volcanic eruptions or the action of lightning. The mystery solved is that these glass fields were formed by a comet explosion about 12,000 years ago. The impact or airburst of this comet generated an immense amount of energy, creating a plasma that reached temperatures of up to 1700 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat was enough to melt the surface sediment of the desert and form the glass we see today. The intriguing connection of this event lies in its timing. This cataclysm occurred near the time of the megafauna extinction in the Americas and was potentially witnessed by the first humans to settle in the area. Evidence of a cosmic impact of such magnitude adds a dramatic element to early human history and the end of the Ice Age, suggesting that extraterrestrial events may have significantly influenced the evolution of ecosystems and human societies. The Atacama Glass is therefore a geological record of an astronomical event, a lost natural technology manifested in the melting of the sand. In summary, recent discoveries in the Atacama Desert are an amalgamation of phenomena ranging from geology and technology to biology and paleontology. The subterranean megastructure, whether a geological marvel or an unknown artificial structure of lost antiquity, has ushered in a new era of robotic and geophysical exploration. Advanced microbial life has expanded the frontiers of astrobiology, demonstrating the resilience of life in conditions resembling those on other planets. Triassic fossils have rewritten the region's climatic past, revealing a green and aquatic Atacama. Finally, impact glass tells the story of a cosmic cataclysm witnessed by the area's first inhabitants. These discoveries solidify the Atacama not only as a desert, but as a crucial natural laboratory for science, demonstrating that beneath its dry and seemingly inert surface lie the secrets of the evolution of life and the possible vestiges of lost ancient technology. Whether of terrestrial or cosmic origin, modern detection technology is revealing a desert far more active and significant than previously thought, a veritable archive of Earth's history. Like, subscribe, and share. The Atacama Desert, one of the driest and most extreme regions on the planet, is rewriting its own narrative. Traditionally viewed as a barren and desolate landscape, recent and ongoing discoveries are solidifying the Atacama's position not only as a desert, but as a crucial natural laboratory for science. The application of cutting-edge technologies has irrefutably demonstrated that beneath its dry and seemingly inert surface lie the secrets of the evolution of life and the possible vestiges of lost ancient technology, expanding our understanding beyond the purely terrestrial realm. The scientific importance of the Atacama rests on two fundamental pillars: its extreme conditions and its geological age. Its hyperaridity, which in some areas has not recorded significant rainfall for thousands of years, creates an environment analogous to Mars, making it an essential testing ground for astrobiology. Secrets of the evolution of life. Extreme persistence. Microbiological research has been one of the most fruitful areas. Contrary to the popular belief that the desert was devoid of life, unique microbial communities have been discovered that survive under conditions of extreme water stress and solar radiation. Endolithic microorganisms. These organisms live inside rocks, such as halite and gypsum, to protect themselves from UV radiation and absorb moisture from the air. Studying them offers clues about how life could have evolved and persisted in resource-limited extraterrestrial environments, such as the Martian subsurface. Life underground. Deep exploration has found bacteria and archaea living kilometers below the surface, feeding on chemical compounds and geothermal energy. This suggests that the tree of life is far more resilient and adaptable than previously thought, providing a model for the search for life on other planets. These findings demonstrate that the Atacama not only preserves life, but shapes it through evolution under pressure, making the desert a biological archive of resilience and adaptation. Beyond biology, the aridity of the Atacama has acted as an exceptional preserver of remains that would rapidly degrade in humid environments. This includes both terrestrial archaeology and the detection of cosmic phenomena. Archaeology of antiquity. The dry air has preserved textiles, pre-Columbian mummies, and artifacts from ancient Andean civilizations with astonishing clarity, allowing archaeologists to reconstruct ritual practices, diet and social structures in unprecedented detail. Traces of lost ancient technology, such as complex irrigation systems or astronomical calendars, are evident in the landscape, waiting to be deciphered. Cosmic impact. Recent studies have found an extensive field of silicate glass across the desert, a phenomenon that can only be the result of a cosmic impact or a massive airburst. Analysis suggests that the shockwave from a meteorite or comet heated the surface to extreme temperatures. These traces of cosmic technology are key to understanding impact events in Earth's history and their climatic effects. Modern detection technology is revealing a desert far more active and significant than previously thought. Tools such as ground-penetrating radar, GPR, drones with multispectral sensors, and seismic sensors allow scientists to see through layers of sand and salt. The Atacama Desert is establishing itself as a true archive of Earth's history, whose layers record paleoclimate. Sediment cores and salt deposits record millennia of climate change, helping scientists project future scenarios of global aridity. Geological activity. The desert's location, adjacent to the Pacific Ring of Fire, makes it a vital point for monitoring seismicity and volcanism. These discoveries demonstrate that the inertia of the Atacama Desert is an illusion. It is a dynamic laboratory of extremophiles, a museum of human history, and a site of cosmic impact. Its surface conceals an evolutionary complexity and historical richness that position it not only as a desert, but as a crucial engine of knowledge for global science. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.